never know what's up there. There he is! I got you! I got him, Harry! I got him! Harry, get up! Give me a hand! Ow! I got him! Harry, help me get up! I got him!
What are you doing, Marv?
Harry, don't move.
Marv?
Don't.
Marv, what are you doing? Marv.
Did I get him? Did I get him? Where is it? Where is it?
Never mind it, you get it. How do you like it, huh? You jerk! Get the kid, boy! Get the kid! Oh. Where'd he go?
Maybe he committed suicide.
Down here, you big horse's ass! Come and get me before I call the police!
Let's get him!
Wait. It's just what he wants us to do. It's to go back downstairs through his funhouse so we get all tore up.
You gotta call the cops!
He's not calling it from a treehouse. Come on.
Out the window?
Yeah.
Not going out the window?
Why, you scared, Marv? Are you afraid? Come on, get out here. Come on. Come on!
Let's go back, Harry!
Shut up. Shut it, Marv.
Hey, guys. Check this out.
Go back! Good! Good! Okay.